Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to Towns at Union Village by Century Community. Now, if you guys are looking for a townhouse priced in the low 400,000s with all appliances included, and you're looking for a corner unit, well, don't go anywhere guys, because in this video, we are going to be touring the plan 1479. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy, or sell here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is January 26, 2025, and today we're here at Union Square at Town Village by Century Communities. Now, we are located in Henderson, so we're about 25 minutes east of the Las Vegas Airport and Strip. We're close to Cadence, but we're just off of the 515 freeway. So great area. Right when you get on 515, just exit on Galleria. You'll be here at this townhouse community. We are right across the street from Henderson Hospital, right next to Cowabunga Bay. 2 blocks down, you have Costco, you have the Galleria Mall, not too far away too, where there's plenty of restaurants, plenty of shopping centers there. In this community, they're gonna have 3 different floor plans, and I will have them on the screen for you. Very similar square footage. You're gonna have the plan 1405, 1478, and 1479. Here at this community, what they're doing is they are only building spec homes here. So as soon as you get into contract, most likely they'll already have one done already. So as soon as you get into contract, you could probably close in your house within 30 days. The base prices don't really matter too much just because they pick out all the options. So the out the door price is what you're looking for. What I'm seeing here is they're ranging from about 400 to 430,000. That is out the door. Okay. A couple of things about the community as well. They have their HOA is $134 a month. No sit-in lids here. Now the $134 a month is going to include the exterior maintenance, water, sewer, landscaping, and the parks. Okay, so that's pretty good for $134. You know, have your sewage and water included. They're gonna have about 87 homes here. They just opened this community like a few months ago, so they're still gonna have available inventory. But yeah guys, that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the plan 1479. Now 1479 is going to be the square footage, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage. Now this unit will always be an end unit as well. Okay, so it looks like only the 1405 is going to be the inside unit. Let's take a look. Oh, again, as far as the prices go for the 1479, you're looking at about, they have some quick move-ins ranging from about like 415 to 420 range. Now you're always going to have 9-foot ceiling on the first floor and 8-foot on the second floor. Now from what I'm told, the model homes are just going to be the quick move-in homes are going to be upgraded just as much as the model homes are. Okay. Now the options might be different. Some might have white cabinets, some might have gray cabinet or dark cabinets like that. But yeah, so we have your living room area, dining room, kitchen. Okay, you also going to have 3 windows right here to allow for that natural light to come in. All right. All appliances are included. Now this is an all electric community as well, which is why you're going to get the electric stovetop oven. Okay, Whirlpool, refrigerator, washer and dryer is included. This is the powder room. You're also going to have a window right here. Single basin sink. This is gonna be your pantry. Look, you also have some storage space. So great job for utilizing the space underneath the stairs. You have your thermostat right here to control the temperature downstairs. And this is included as well. You could control the video doorbell. You could also connect that with, I think, ADT can work with that as well. So you got your coat closet. All right, so we'll head up to the second floor. Now guys, if you're thinking about going to a new build community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, again, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. Just avoid going by yourself when you visit the very first time, just because the builder agent is going to ask for your name, phone number, and email. Now, once they have that information and you're not with an agent at that moment, they're going to have you registered, and they won't let you have representation after that. But the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. We look after your best interest. So, definitely important to get yourself some representation. So you're gonna have your full bath right here. Look, you have all this like extra space right here. Okay, so this is gonna be your 2 bedrooms. These rooms they feel like they are 10 by 10s. Because this is a twin size bed right here. Here's the other bedroom. Now the other floor plans, the 1478, the 1405, you do, sometimes they will, instead of having a 3rd bedroom, they'll either have a loft or a 2nd primary suite. But here, there's no options for that. This is always going to be a 3 bedroom. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. I guess we'll go this way. So look, right across the street, you have Henderson Hospital. So yeah, I mean, these townhomes are, if you're a nurse looking for work, get a job over here at Henderson Hospital, literally walk to work right across the street. So you got your walk-in shower, your dual sinks. You can have your toilet room right here. Okay, with a window. And then you also have your walk-in closet. All right, so now let's take a look at the laundry room. All right, so this is going to be the laundry room. Okay, washer and dryer is included. Now those cabinets up there, I'm not too sure exactly if those are included, but let me know if in case you're interested. I'm guessing some of the models will have that. It seems like it's an upgrade option that the builders will have to make. But this is also the smart panel box. So this is where you connect your internet router and your modem. But yeah, guys, that's it for the plan 1479. Let me know what you guys think. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.